Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how you can test multiple APIs in just one go. So why you should learn it? Suppose you have 10 APIs in your project and every time when you make any change in your code, you have to go and test each of your APIs one by one. That is very much time consuming. So in order to get this thing simplified, we will be combining all these APIs in one collection and we will be testing that collection whenever there will be any change in the code. There are other established tools in the market like SoapUI and JMeter to do this activity, but as you know, Postman is very much popular nowadays and everybody wants to get these things handy, so we will be learning it in Postman. So how do you do it? First of all, we will be wrapping all these APIs in a single collection. I have taken example of 3. This is one API. So if I have to wrap it in a collection, you have to go to save as and you have to create a new collection. I will create a new collection from here and name this collection TechnoTab. And after that you have to save to TechnoTab. You have to save this request here. You can see one request is added. Now again I have to add this request as well. Go to save as and select your collection, save to TechnoTab. The third request I'm going to add. So now this collection is having 3 requests and I will run this all the 3 requests in a single go. But in order to get very documented results, we need to go to add some scripts in here. You have to go to tests. These are predefined scripts. You don't have to write anything manually. You will see some snippets here. You have to go down and select this status code is 200. When you click it, you will get the automatic code snippet. You have to just click on the save button once. You have to do for all the requests, and for this one as well you have to do. I have already done it. So save all the 3 requests, and after saving it, you have to run all these requests at once. So you just click on the collection, and after that you see an arrow mark here. You just click on that and you click on the run button. So when you click on the run button, it will open a pop-up like this, and let's see what all things we can do in here. So there is an environment. If you have any environment, then you can add that environment here. I don't have any environment defined, so I will leave it no environment. Iterations. So iterations is a number of times you want to run this collection. So it's not like a load test. It's like you are running one test, second test, third test, and after that your test stops. If you want to run this again, then you have to go give it 2. After you make the iterations as 2, it will run the first set of collection. Again, after completing the first set of collection, it will run the second set of collection. So you can run it multiple iterations. And the delay, if you want to add a delay between your request, you can give the timing here. I will keep it 0 milliseconds. The data is when you have any external file from where your data is coming, you have to select that file so that it will pick the data while running this test. Now after doing that, if you want to save the response, you can just click on this, run the collection without using stored cookies. So when you click on run, it will run for 2 times. Let me try it for 1 time once and click on the run button. So you see that the 3 tests are passed and 0 tests are failed. And you can see a well documented response code, time taken, and how much kilobytes the requests are. If you want to see the run summary, you can view it from here. In the first iteration, the tick mark shows that your request is successful. If you want to export the result, you can export the result. It will be exported in a JSON format. And there are so many utilities of this Postman, and one of them is this collection runner. Let me give this iterations to 5 times. So, and after that, when I click on the run button, it will run my APIs for the 5 time, one by one. You can test the performance as well. If any of my APIs is having any intermittent failures, you can test it from there. So in this video, you learned all about collection runner. If you want to learn how to set up an environment in Postman, so that it will be making your task more easier if you are having different kind of environment like prod or test environment or dev environment in your project. I have made a separate video for setting up the environment. You can watch that. I've given the link in the description down below. Hoping this video might have helped you. I thank you all viewers. See you next time.